Hi, welcome back. Today I have got an interesting and aesthetic project for you. We will be building a mini desktop mood lamp. So let's get started. My projects were always not quite polished or clean. I wanted to be better. So I started to learn and printed my very first design. Initially I thought of using the 80Tiny85 for the lamp, but then I saw my cool little Arduino Xiao ESP32-S3 catching dust. So I thought of stepping up this project and used it. Since it was my very first 3D design, it had some problems. The worst one was that the hole for the USB port wasn't apt. So I ripped off the coating on it and it fits now, and added some extra length to the wires. Now it's time to add the LED strip. I'm gonna insert 9 LEDs up there. Just solder up the VCC, ground and data pins. The connection to ESP32-S3 is also simple. Connect it to 5V, ground and the data pin to any GPIO. You need to add the WLED firmware to the ESP32-S3, but I had some problems installing it to this board. You may need to install it from wledinstall.github.io website. For more info, you can check out this 30-second video. Link in the description. So after I have done with my troubleshooting, I got my LEDs all working and I easily and very comfortably put all of them in. Yes, it was way too easy.
One eternity later.
Yes, the most aesthetic part is the taping and wiring. So having done this, just connect it to a 5V adapter or a power bank and you can connect it with your phone or any other device and can easily control. If you want to know more about using the WLED, you can check out this video. Link in the description. It is actually way better than what it looks on the camera. Yeah, I know. I'm the best at videography and editing. Yeah, I'm the best. Dedicating this to those low-fee cool people who does work all day and night. Basically at this point, I don't even know what am I doing here. It has got so many different effects. Some of them looks way better inside this sphere.